Hey there, I've got another incredible product to share, and this one is a real game changer. The design? Absolutely stunning. It's got that perfect blend of style and sophistication. What really blew me away, though, was the price tag. It's affordable and offers amazing value for its quality. It's versatile too. You can use it at home, in the office, or even as a thoughtful gift. It always looks fantastic and performs beautifully wherever it's placed. Check out the details below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all my latest finds.